Welcome to Las Vegas Modern Kung Fu channel. This is Shifu JJ. Today video the Leopard Kung Fu.
Leopard Kung Fu, also known as Bao or Leopard Fist, is a style of martial arts that emphasizes speed, power, and agility. The techniques of Leopard Kung Fu are based on the movements and tactics of the leopard, known for its speed and ferocity in the wild. In combat, practitioners of Leopard Kung Fu utilize quick strikes, rapid footwork, and aggressive attacks to overwhelm their opponents. One of the main applications of Leopard Kung Fu in real combat is the ability to strike quickly and decisively, often catching opponents off guard. By utilizing swift and precise movements, practitioners of Leopard Kung Fu can deliver devastating blows to vital points on the body, disabling their opponents in a matter of seconds. This speed and efficiency make Leopard Kung Fu a formidable style in hand-to-hand combat situations. Additionally, the agility and flexibility required in Leopard Kung Fu allow practitioners to evade attacks and counter with swift movements, making it a versatile style that can be applied in a variety of combat scenarios. Overall, the key to success in Leopard Kung Fu is speed, the ability to strike fast and hard, giving practitioners the upper hand in any confrontation. Leopard Kung Fu stance training. Horse stance transfer to bow stance. Waist is center. Gingerly move your waist to left and right to bow stance, and then adding speed and power, repeating the right technique to make solid Leopard Kung Fu stance strong. Leopard Kung Fu is a martial art form that is known for its unique and powerful techniques which mimic the movements of a leopard. One of the key aspects of Leopard Kung Fu is its focus on basic stances, which are essential for building a strong foundation in the art. These stances help to develop balance, flexibility, and strength.
给我一匹骏马，我越过高高山